Charlie here. I thought we are going to do something that I used to do last year just for shits, right? We're going to look at the options chain from Fidelity, you know, the calculator. And then I just wanted to show you the fib that I showed you yesterday for AMC and the difference in what it looks like today versus yesterday. But yeah, obviously, very nice day today. I am glad that I bought shares. I have calls in the morning, sold those pretty early on this morning, and then I waited for that dip and got in for shares underneath that $16 mark. So I'm happy. But anyways, let's take a look and see what's going on in the options chain real quick for this week. As we all know, this shaded region here is your in the money puts, shaded region here is your in the money calls, and then the unshaded region on each side is your out of the money. So when you look at the open interest on the call side, that's going to be your resistance, and then on the put side, which is the right hand side, it's going to be your support. So if we look here, we can see that the resistance is right there stacked at that $20 level. That's the most resistance other than that 15.5 that we were actually able to break through today, which was good to see. So it looks to me like we're going to see somewhat of a ladder because open interest decreases slightly going out to higher up in the chain up to that $18 mark. But again, you know, anything could happen, but I'm just telling you what I believe based on what the options chain is telling you. Now, from a support perspective, 13.5 seems to be the floor with 4K OI, but then again, that $15 level is also very strong, so I would actually be shocked if it falls below 15 moving forward. But yeah, today was a good day. Finished up 7.61%, so let's just keep on moving. And when we look at the probability calculator, what does it say? Change the date. And we're looking at the HV90, okay? So if we look at the HV180, obviously it goes down a little bit, but as always, it's basically a coin flip. 5107 above and a 4893 chance to close below where we did today, according to the Fidelity calculator. Now, if we go look at the TA fib, real quick, gotta wait for it to load. TA fib AMC 1440, which is the daily trend line, true. Extended hours, true. And then I'm gonna find. Well, no, actually, hold on. Did I make a PowerPoint with that on it? I think I did. I'm going to just go ahead and do that. But look at this. Remember I showed it to you yesterday? The price was well below the blue line. Well, today, we're just about, it's very odd because technically the red line is your support line, right? And then the blue should be your resistance. But we're about to be at the resistance, and the resistance is below the support. So, yeah, very interesting to see that. Because again, if you look at, for example, GME, which I believe after today should be well above the blue line because yesterday it was like right at the blue line. Which is again the resistance, so it should be over that line today, I would imagine. I would definitely imagine, but we'll see. We'll see what it looks like. And again, I mean, like I'm saying, that FINRA short settlement window, the due date was last Friday, or I'm sorry, the settlement date was last Friday, and the due date is tomorrow at 6 p.m. So yeah, definitely above it, slightly. But looks like it could be time for a retrace. But I don't know how the split mechanics are going to play into that as far as from this TA perspective. So whenever the split happens, this could, you know, be way down here. But we'll have to wait and see on that one. So GME is still up in the air, man. I mean, there's just not enough going on right now with the company. You know, they don't like to talk very much. But AMC, you know, leading up to this earnings, if they beat earnings like they think, I mean, very, very good for the stock. So again, very bullish on it. 50-50 chance from Fidelity, whatever that's worth, and a very odd looking fib chart. Remember, the 61.8 is the important mark that it likes to retrace, so we'll see what happens. Tomorrow is short settlement window, so did they do a half and half kind of deal? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see, but today was good. Today was definitely good.